Hello, hello beautiful people. Today I'm gonna tell you how I make my chop 1 chop 2. These are the beautiful ingredients I'm going to use to make this chop 1 chop 2. So the first ingredient we're going to use is 3 kilos of white flour, which is all-purpose flour. We have here 6 large egg. We have around 1 kilo of granulated white sugar. We have 3 nutmegs here. Sorry, we have 3 nutmegs here. We have condensed milk. It's a concentrated milk. I'm going to use this too. We have salt, a lot. We have baking powder. This is cactus. We have baking powder. We have butter. We're going to use unsalted butter. So I don't know if you guys can see it because we have my sunflower oil. So we have the sieve to sieve the flour. We have the roller to roll the dough out. We have a spatula. I will show you in a little moment what I use the spatula to do. We have a rolling cutter. I will show you guys how I use this one too. And we have a teaspoon, 5 ml of spoon. So I will show you how many quantity of baking powder we need and how many teaspoons of salt we need. So guys, in a large bowl, I'm going to mix my wet ingredients inside this. So I'm going to set this aside and I will tell you how I open this because I'm going to use this as a measurement of my sugar. Okay, I don't know if you guys see it well. Oh, I learned this trick a long time. This is our olden days trick on how you can open a can. Why am I opening this particular milk like this is because I want to use the cup as a measurement to my sugar. And I will say it's 1 cup. So guys, I have opened the milk. I will now turn it inside my bowl. Then I will open the next one. So, the first one was easy because it was wide open. So in this cup, I would like to measure my sugar. I like my sugar to be well dissolved. I don't want my sugar to be like stones in the dough. So I will measure 3 cups. So guys, this is I have added 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of this, and you add this water, this plain water. So I will pour it inside. So I will use it to clean up the cup, and I will set it aside. I will measure 300 grams of sugar, 300 grams of butter here. Guys, don't forget that I told you that I cut this off to measure my sugar. So I measure 2.5 cups of this, which is approximately 1 kilo of sugar. It's not up to 1 kilo, around 900 grams of sugar. I will now make this border in my microwave and come back and show you how I mix all the ingredients together. So guys, I have melted my butter and I'm turning the sugar. As you can see, the sugar is still in the bottom of the milk and water. So in this milk now, I will add my melted butter. It's not too hot, but I needed it to be a little bit hot, not too much. I'll mix it together and break in my eggs inside. But I think that this bowl is very small for the 3 kilos I'm going to mix, so I'll get in a bigger bowl. So I will use this small bowl to mix my eggs together. Sieve in the 3 kilos of flour. So I will gently do that so the dust won't cover my camera. I will now sieve in my nutmeg. It's around 8 grams of nutmeg. So, baking powder, which is like 6 teaspoons. I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of salt. I'll mix it together. Sorry guys. I'll mix it together. Pour in the mixture of my egg. I'll pour in the mixture of butter, sugar, milk and water. To mix it together. So you mix all the ingredients together. Don't miss this recipe, oh guys. My secret. Knead all of them together. Supposed to use 2 hands. But because I'm controlling my camera, I need to knead it with my left hand that is more stronger. Don't over mix your dough, guys, so that it won't be very hard to chew. If you mix your dough too much, just treat it like a newborn baby. If you mix it too much, it will be strong for you to chew it. So I'm gonna divide it into several parts because I'm actually doing this for a customer. So you got to see today. You have enjoyed my recipe. This is one of the things I do. And like this, you can put it back in the plastic bowl you used to make it. You can find something like this to put it and you cover it and with a towel and take the one you're going to work with out. I brought 2 out to work on. So I'm going to work in and out of my dough and turn it more often so you can get to the thinness I want. Not at the side, and I will get in my rolling knife. I don't know what name this thing is called, but I call it the knife that is rolling. You can call your own anyone. No, me, I don't speak a perfect English. So this is how I do my cutting. I make sure that it come out so tiny. I will get one and show you. This is how tiny my chop one, chop two is. I don't call this chin chin like every other person call it chin chin, because mine is different, and I make it like this. So you can, I call it chop one, chop two. You must surely chop one and chop two. Most of the things I do is I learned them from my mother. So I wish my children would learn from me too. But my dear, this Europe children, anyways, how you want to train your child, the child will come up that way. Sometimes it's very hard to train the children the way you want, the way they will come up very good. I usually try my best. So my daughter is 12. She's supposed to be watching me doing this. I learned from my mother because I watched her do it to support the family at all costs, because I grew up in Africa, Nigeria to be precisely. So this is what I use also now as a business, and other things I do to help in the house. I'm left-handed, don't mind how it goes, but I'm working with left hand all the time. So why I usually talk when I do my video is for you to get used to my voice. So guys, this is how it came out. This is the trick I tell you about my spatula. I use it to scrape it and remove it from the surface. So this is what I want to do now. So now they will go into my deep fryer and they will come out perfectly well. I will sprinkle some flour on top of it to come out very beautiful. Hello. This chop one, chop two is finally done. Wow, takes me 6 hours. 6 hours to achieve this big bowl. 6 hours of standing, 6 hours of my hands paining me. Like, it's not an easy job. So guys, thank you very much for passing by my channel. I appreciate your thumbs up, I appreciate your comments, and I appreciate the new subscribers and the old ones. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye bye.